Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have a hair video for you guys and I'm going to take you through a week in the life of my hair. I went ahead and washed it this morning, so now I'm going to go ahead and style it with some of my Holy Grail products. Today I'm actually using a new camera, so it looks amazing. I just spent like an hour trying to set it up, so if anything fails, please forgive me. But some of the products that I'm going to be using for today's video is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. And then I'm also going to be using the My Moisture Coconut Curl Smoothie. And then lastly, I'm going to be using the Curl Talk Not Your Mother's Sculpting Gel. So these are the products that I've been using that have been working really well with my hair. And so I'm just going to show you guys a typical week of how I refresh my curls, protect them, and I'll show you exactly what it looks like each day. So if you guys are interested to see what my hair is going to look like, please continue watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. So before I jump into the video, I want to explain that today's actually Tuesday, March 2nd, and I'm going to go ahead and style my hair today. I would have done it yesterday, but it was completely crappy outside, like complete rain, humidity, and I knew if I did my hair it would just be a waste of time. So I kind of base the weather outside on when I'm going to do my hair. And so today's sunny and beautiful. So we're going to start on Tuesday. I'm going to go ahead and start styling my products. Here is what my hair looks like with no products in it. I only have a little bit of conditioner left in it from when I was in the shower. I tend to do that before I style my hair. I don't wash the conditioner all the way out. So I'm going to go ahead and start sectioning my hair like I normally do. Now that my hair is sectioned, I like to spray as much water on it. I like my hair to be soaking wet before I apply the product. And the reason why I have the microfiber towel on before is because I don't want water dripping everywhere while I set up the camera and stuff. So I gotta re-wet it a little bit. And typically when I do my hair, I'm standing in the bathroom, so I have the faucet to go ahead and use the water from. I'm also using the Tangle Teaser brush. It's one of my faves. It's what I like to use when I style my hair. So like I said, I'm using the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. And I like to start with not too much, and then I add on if I need more. It's easier to add than actually take away, so less is more at the beginning. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply the My Moisture Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie. I've been using this for years now. I feel like you guys know this product by now, and a lot of you guys really like it too. So I'm just going to go ahead and rake this in and try to evenly distribute it. And then I go in with the Tangle Teaser brush to go ahead and get it to kind of get that really nice curl pattern as well. And then just scrunch, rake more, and throw it to the back. And then I'm just going to go ahead and continue that same process on the rest of my hair. After diffusing my hair is about 90% dry. So this is what it looks like on day one, the same day that I did the wash and go. As you guys can tell, it's very flat. The curls are super tight, defined, and I have a pretty strong cast on top of my curls. So tomorrow when I wake up, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a oil or a serum to go ahead and break it up to add volume, more shine, and then I'm also gonna take a pick my hair out at the roots to get more volume, but you guys will see all of that tomorrow. But it was a good wash and go day. As you guys can tell, the curls are super defined. I did get a trim, so it looks a little bit short, but it's probably because of the shrinkage, and I tend to get more shrinkage when I got a trim. because it just makes it super healthy with the curls and they shrink up even more. So what I'm gonna do before I go to bed is wrap my hair in this scarf. I stole this from my mother, so I do not know where I got it from, but I will try to see if there's other options for you guys. I know a lot of companies have some awesome scarves out there, but I am super attached to this scarf. It has just been with me for years now. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it at night and sleep on a satin pillowcase to protect my hair from kind of getting any type of friction that would cause any frizziness. I love frizz, but not on the first day. I feel like I need it to kind of set before I create the volume. Today is the second day, the morning after I did my wash and go. I went ahead and slept with my hair just like this on a satin pillowcase. So I put some makeup on because I have a full day of shooting some content, and then later on I do have a lunch to go to. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys what my hair looks like once I take out my scarf. And I've been using this method for years now. I think since I started really focusing on getting my hair healthy. And it really works for me. My hair does not move. So first glimpse, hair is bunched together. This is one of my favorite oils that I use. It's not greasy. It works really well with my hair. So I'm just gonna add some to my hands. And I put like a generous amount. All I have to do is flip my hair over and apply the oil. As you guys can tell, I still have a little bit of the cast still in my hair, so by applying the oil, I'm breaking it up and adding the volume into my hair. I also like to go ahead and use my fingertips to give my scalp a little bit of a massage. This really helps to kind of break up the curls and stimulate my scalp as well. And it just really feels good. So this is the volume that I achieved just by applying oil to my hair. So what I like to do next is use a pick. So I'm just gonna position myself to turn to the side so you guys can see how I pick my hair. I only pick at the roots to get more volume. After I pick it, I like to use my hands also and just shake it out as much as I can. Okay friends, so this is what it's gonna look like for day 2. I can't really do anything else other than what I showed you guys. This is pretty typical for day 2 hair. This is the amount of volume I get, and throughout the day it'll probably keep growing as I'm outside and moving around. Honestly, my hair just grows, and my best days are day 3 and 4, so I'm excited to show you guys what it looks like then. But that's it. This is what it's gonna look like. It's really short because when I was drying it, it just shrunk. This is what my hair looks like day 2. So I will show you guys and check in with you later. Good morning, I'm back. Today is day 3 of this wash and go. I did a workout this morning from 8 to 9, so about an hour, and I sweated. So in order for me to protect my hair, I went ahead and used a scrunchie and just had it up on my head in a pineapple, and that works for me. Sometimes it does get still in my face, so I just wrap up the ends a little bit. But what I did is I just worked out, and then I took a shower and got some makeup on my face because I'm gonna go ahead and create some more content today and possibly do some other things later on. So I thought I'd just do the makeup all right now. But as I mentioned earlier in the video, that day 3 tends to be my better hair day, or the best hair day, where I get the most volume. So I do kind of lose a little bit of the definition, which is why I brought some of my products to help me. So I have a spray bottle, and then I also have my favorite leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna go ahead and use a leave-in to refreshen my curls. I never use a gel or a heavy styling cream. I find the leave-in is nice and light, and it doesn't hold too much or create kind of a cast or a crunchy feel in my hair. So you'll see that I use a very small amount to go ahead and refreshen certain parts of my hair. But let's go ahead and take it out and see what it looks like underneath this scarf. I did wear my hair like this also last night on a satin pillowcase to kind of protect it while I sleep. You can see that the curls are all tight, stuck together. So what I'm gonna do first is flip over and just shake my hair to loosen it up. After I went ahead and fluffed it, I'm going to be using the same oil, the Garnier Fructis hair serum. This is one of my favorites. It's light, doesn't leave my hair feeling greasy at all. So I'm going to apply, like I always do, a generous amount. I'm not really shy when it comes to oil just because I have a lot of hair and it really helps to add shine and also bring more volume. So I'm just gonna really get it into my curls. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pick my hair using this awesome, really large one. It works really well for me. I think I got it from like a CVS or a Walgreens. I'm just gonna go ahead and flip my hair and rake it only from the roots and not go past the roots, or else I'm gonna be creating a lot of kind of tangles or frizziness that I do not want. So let's get started. So just picking and picking and picking and picking. I think I still have curls that are still stuck together. I don't know if you guys can see from there, but you can see that I have curls that just need to be kind of separated a little bit more. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, as you see here. So just gently pull them away so that you don't mess them up. So maybe I can go ahead and refresh this one right here. And I just literally need less than a dime size. That's how much I'm gonna go ahead and use for this small section. I don't even really need to wet it because it's pretty tiny. And when I apply the product, I make sure to kind of like finger coil at the same time. Other than that, I really, like I said, I don't see any areas that need some refreshing as of day 3. I really think the wash and go, I have a lot of product in my hair, so it's really holding the curls, and I'm not mad at it. It'll just probably take one more day tomorrow for my curls to get really big. Let me know which day down below is your favorite when it comes to your wash and goes and when you feel like you have the best results. For me, I just need to keep fluffing it and separating curls and applying oil to break the cast that might still be there. But yeah, this is it. This is the results for it today. Not really gonna do anything else. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, today is day 4 of my wash and go. I went ahead and did some errands this morning, cleaned the house. I left my scarf on for a good portion of the morning because I just really didn't want my hair in my face at all. And it's gonna be probably a really chill day for the rest of today. So I don't really care what my hair looks like. But yesterday was really windy. So when the weather outside is like that, my hair tends to get really dry and then frizzy because obviously the wind is blowing my hair. And yesterday I took Bella out to go play fetch. So my hair might not be as good as I thought it was gonna be today, but that's okay. Honestly, having natural hair, I've just had to learn that my hair is not gonna look perfect all the time. And I used to be super OCD, and I also can't open this, but let's see. Okay, here is day 4 hair. Volume is definitely there. I'm not sure if you guys, how much you can see through the camera, but I can already feel like around my face a bit more frizziness. So some of my curls have definitely experienced the wind I was telling you guys about. My hair does feel really dry, to be honest. And that's what I experience, like I'm sure most of you do in the winter time. I feel like I don't really need to pick my hair as much today because it's already pretty big and I have the volume that I'm looking for. I don't really do much, to be honest, when it comes to refreshing my curls. I might add a little bit of leave-in conditioner. I don't really worry about if my curls start to look bad towards the end of the week. To be honest, that's just a signal for me to go ahead and wash my hair. Another reason why I might use a leave-in conditioner in my hair also is, let's say I'm working out, or if I go on walks or take Bella to a dog park, my hair really absorbs a lot of the sweat or outside air that I kind of experience when I am outside. So I do try to kind of get rid of that smell by applying a little bit of a leave-in conditioner, and this just helps it to, you know, smell fruity again. I feel like having long hair or big hair in general, you kind of absorb a lot of smells that are around you. I'm sure probably later today I'll probably throw my hair up in a bun or like a pineapple, because today I just feel like kind of catching up, editing some videos, staying home, not really leaving anywhere. So just to get my hair out of my face, I'll just put it up. And that's what I tend to do during the week. So that's kind of how I prepare my day 4 hair. Not much else to do, to be honest. I'm accepting the frizz, and it is what it is. Okay guys, we have made it to day 5, and obviously you see my hair has not made it to day 5. Let's just say yesterday it was super windy, and with going out and taking Bella out on walks and letting her play and just kind of being home, I felt like I just needed to put my hair up. And then once it got into a bun, it ended up looking like this type of bun. So I will take it out and show you guys what it looks like. Usually at this point I don't go back and try to save it. This just tells me that I'm ready to go ahead and do a deep conditioner, or at least wear it in a bun for another day. But you can see there's a lot of frizz on the top. I could probably refresh it, but I'm just not in the mood. I'm ready to let this one go. The back of my hair is pretty matted, so that should be fun in the shower trying to deep condition and detangle all that. But today I don't think I feel like doing my hair again, so I'm just going to show you guys what I do to kind of avoid washing my hair all over again on days where my hair looks like this towards the end of the week. So I brought this scalp serum that I've been using from Pattern, and it works really well with my hair. I just separate my hair on my scalp and then just apply it in between all the sections. So that is how I wrap my hair up on my 5th day of this wash and go. Super simple and easy. On days like this, I don't even wear makeup, super natural, hair tied up, face is super exposed, but I really like that the scalp serum, because it really kind of cools my scalp and freshens it up a little bit. It really does feel good on my head. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wear this wrap for the remainder of the day, maybe wash my hair and deep condition tonight, and then go ahead and style tomorrow after I rinse it out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. This is kind of a realistic week of what my hair looks like each day and how I kind of preserve it or refreshen it to have it last even longer. I will have all the products that I use down below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out and see if it's something you guys want to try on yourself. Let me know also down below how long you can usually have a wash and go last. As you can tell, for me it was about 4 to 5 days. If I really wanted, I could push 6, but I think at this point it's time to go ahead, wash it, clean it, and freshen it up for the next week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.